Hey there, it's Gunnar Hussain here in rainy London town. I just wanted to shoot this video because a couple of days ago, whilst bobbing along in the park, in the country park, I was telling you guys that I was writing down all my ideas, passions and talents, and that it's for my info product, and that I narrowed my ideas down to 3, and I also asked which idea I should roll with. And if you remember, the first one was to do with budgeting for your online marketing campaigns, how to do it properly, so you don't waste your money, but growing your business at the same time. Second one was about the network marketers out there that's experienced or experiencing their company that they're promoting, where they stop paying out commissions, and even totally going out of business. So that was my second idea. My third idea was totally marketing unrelated, and that was to do with Apple Mac gaming, because I just thought to myself it'd be nice to raise the profile of Apple Macs and gaming, because Apple is really successful with the iPhone and iPads and iOS gaming, and I thought with the latest equipment it could happen, and I really believe that. So I asked you guys the question, what should I roll with, what should I cut out? And it seems that a lot of you have chosen the second option, which was for network marketers basically losing their business, and how to survive, so you can go on to see another day. So I think I'm going to roll with that one, because I am passionate about that. It's something dear to me. I want to provide that solution because I've seen a lot of people hurt in the industry, and I want to show people along the lines that there is a better way of doing business. So so thank you guys. That's what I'm going to do. If I haven't replied to your messages, that's because I'm really super busy. I really appreciate your comments, your personal messages. The niche idea video that I put out a couple of days ago, I've blasted that video to quite a few places. So I've had some positive feedback. So anyway, with that, comment below, please comment below, to tell me, what I can include in such an info product. I'll say, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are finding my stuff of value. And this is Gunnar Hussain. See you in the next video. Bye for now.